Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a React project from scratch. So we're not going to use any framework like Next or Remix. We're just going to use the React and React DOM libraries and a couple of other things. So first of all, we're going to do npm install React and React DOM. These are two main libraries. Next, we're going to do npm install Webpack, Webpack CLI, Webpack dev server, as well as HTML Webpack plugin. I'm going to save them as dev dependencies. So that's going to take a while to install. We'll be right back. Next, we're going to install our JavaScript bundler. So we're going to use Babel for that. So we're going to have to install a couple of libraries. So we do npm install Babel core, Babel preset -env, Babel preset React, as well as Babel loader. We're also going to save them as dev dependencies. Once that's done installing, we're going to have to configure Webpack. So we come here, create a new file called webpack.config.js. Here we're going to do module.exports is equal to, first we're going to define our entry point, which is going to be source index.js. Save that. Let's create that file here. So folder source, and then file is going to be index.js. Alright, and now inside our index.js code, we're going to add the following code here. So import create root from React DOM client. So here we're adding our React code. So we're going to say const root is equal to create root and then document dot get element by ID, and then we're going to pass in app. Next, we're going to render our HTML. So we're going to do root.render, give it a h1 tag, and let's say hello world. Okay. After that, we're going to create another file in our source called index.html. And here we're going to put some code here, and in our body, oops, not there. In our body, we're going to put in a div with the ID of app. So this is where our React code is going to be injected. So next, after that, we're going to go back to our Webpack config, and then we're going to get some things here. So we're going to say const path is equal to require path, and then we're also going to do const HTML Webpack plugin is equal to require HTML Webpack plugin. Okay. After that, to define our output. So whenever we make a production build, this is where the output should be stored. So we have path, and we're going to say path dot join, and then we're going to use keyword dir name, which is our current directory, and then dist. So it should be created in a folder in our path called dist, and the file name should be called bundle.js. Alright, and then next we're going to define our plugins. So we're going to say plugins is equal to an array. It's going to be a new HTML Webpack plugin. And here we're going to put the following code. Template is our source / index.html that we just created. Okay. And next, after that, we're going to define our transpiler. So we're going to have to come here, create something called module. It's going to be an object. It's going to take in rules, which is an array of rules. And we're just going to have one. We're going to say test. And then this is our regex expression, which means Babel should transpile any file that ends with .js. And then we're going to exclude. We do not want to transpile anything inside the folder node modules. Okay. And then after that, we're going to add something here called use. That's going to be an object which takes a loader. Oops, comma there. Which takes a loader. That's going to be our Babel loader. It's going to take in some options, which is an object, which takes in an array called presets. Here we add our presets that we installed earlier, our Babel preset-env. And next is going to be another array, but it's going to be our Babel preset react. And then inside that same array, we're going to add an object, key of runtime, and value of automatic. All right, so here we go. And now we have our index.js, our React code, our HTML where it should be injected, all our dependencies here, and we have our Webpack correctly configured. All that's left now is to come here to our terminal, and we gotta have an npm start. But we haven't defined that yet, so we should come to our package JSON, and then above dependencies, we should add a section for scripts. And inside scripts, we're going to give an object. We're going to have start, and then we start, we're going to run the following command. It's going to be Webpack. So we invoke our Webpack dev server. The mode is going to be development, and then you're going to open --hot. Okay. Now if we come here, we say npm start, and it should start our React project on localhost 8080. So if we come here and type in localhost 8080, we should see our hello world. And that's how to set up React without using any framework, just React and React DOM libraries. Thank you.